Hey there! So, you know that feeling? That frustrating morning computer lag? Ugh. If you've ever dealt with that, you are in the right place. Today, we're diving into a brilliantly simple trick to keep your Windows 11 PC running like a dream.
Oh man, we've all been there, haven't we? You sit down with your coffee, you're ready to start the day, but your computer? It has other plans. It's groggy, it's slow, and it's just frustrating. It's such a common problem, but what if there was a really simple way to fix it?
Well, guess what? There is. And no, it's not some complicated technical overhaul. It's a simple, three-step daily routine, kind of like a morning pledge you can make to your PC to make sure it's fast, safe, and ready for whatever you throw at it. So let's meet the person who came up with this.
Yeah, so full credit where it's due, this clever system comes from a guy named Norbert Gustische, who also goes by Bob. He created this awesome, easy-to-remember checklist, and we're just here to break it down for you. It's a fantastic example of how a tiny habit can make a massive difference.
He calls it the PC's Morning Pledge, and the trick to remembering it is as simple as it gets, USA. Let's break down what each of those letters stands for.
All right, first up, we've got U, and U stands for updates. Now this one it's non-negotiable. This should be your first step every single morning because it's the absolute foundation for a healthy machine.
And it really could not be simpler. You just head into your settings, click on Windows Update, and hit that Check for Updates button. That's it. It takes what, maybe 10 seconds? But the benefit is huge. So why is this so important?
Well, the analogy for this is just perfect. Bob describes it as giving your PC its new armor for the day. Because updates aren't just about cool new features, they are crucial security patches and performance boosts that literally strengthen your computer's defenses.
Okay, let's move on to the S. S stands for security, but it's actually a two-part check. It covers both your system's protection and its performance when you boot it up.
So this step has two quick parts. First is the security check. Just glance down at your system tray and look for the shield icon. If you see a green check mark, you're good to go. The second part is all about speed. Open up your Task Manager, go to the Startup Apps tab, and just disable anything you don't really need launching the second your PC turns on.
And the why behind this is so memorable. Checking that shield makes sure your guard dogs, your antivirus and firewall, are on duty. And managing those startup apps, that prevents what Bob calls a noisy, slow kitchen effect, where way too many programs are all clattering for attention at once.
And finally, we have A for apps. You've updated your armor and you've checked your defenses. Now it's time to get your tools ready for the day's work.
This step is all about being proactive. Before you're in a rush to join a meeting or reply to some urgent email, just open the main apps you use every day. Your browser, your email client, maybe Word. Just make sure they load up smoothly and everything's working right.
It's just like laying out your tools before starting a project. This final step is all about getting your digital desk set up before the real work starts. That way your apps are ready and waiting for you. No surprises, no delays.
And that's it. That's your daily digital allegiance, a simple three-step process, USA, that can transform your morning computer experience from a sluggish chore into a smooth, secure start.
So to recap the whole pledge, U is for updates, your PC's new armor. S is for security and startup, keeping your guard dogs on duty in a quiet kitchen. And A is for apps, getting the tools on your desk. It's such a simple way to remember a really powerful daily habit. You know, committing to this little routine every morning can have a massive impact on your PC's health and your own productivity, which leaves us with a final thought. If a quick 3-minute check-in can do all this for your computer, what other small daily habits could transform the rest of your digital life?